Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the building, back in the music climb with another one, guys. Yeah, man, guys. I hope y'all taking care of yourself. Hope y'all been drinking your water. You know what I'm saying? Hope y'all staying prayed up. You know, hope y'all staying healthy out here. But, guys, yeah, man, from you see from the title, what we doing today, no one requested this one, so you won't see a name, but you're still gonna see comments. But no one requested this one, but we're gonna react to this song. This is a very, you know, this is a Trinidad dancehall artist, I believe. Okay, and he's very active right now. You know, getting a lot of buzz. So we're gonna check him out and see what's going on. You don't know what time it is, guys. But yeah, guys, you don't know, if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on the post notification bell. I don't know what time. I'm not gonna hold it very much long. Let's jump right in. Today we're checking out Kalonji, Prolific. Let's get it. Okay. That'll start our video with the Trini Goal already. Okay.
Yeah, no fight, but me never create. When no criticism, that is something me no need. Never promote for the bad energy. Every man blade for the same color Satan.
Okay. You know, I really like the starting. You feel me? I already like the starting. I like how he started off. So let's see what's going on.
Still me not too care, cause people show me them two-face. And I saw me never mix like Kool-Aid. Black with the switch, figure them green. Keep the talk if you no break a damn. This are my parts, how I may have to walk it. You fi stop steady when a profitable body. Can't vex with her if she fuck with the target. Drake up on the back seat, she no mind. So she feel safe on the head back side.
Ooh, that one thing I can't deny, bro. What I like about the Trini artists, man, they all got this smooth, crazy, just like, they're all very vocal, bro. All of them can pretty much sing really well, bro. Every Trinidad artist, bro, almost all of them. I won't say everyone, but almost all of them, bro. So I not gonna lie, I really rate the starting. The beginning of this is very smooth. You know what I'm saying? Man, say you can't judge the part of me tried, or yeah, man, I like that, bro. I like Kalonji. Smooth, bro. Prolific. Big bang badness here, very fine. I tell you, big bang badness here. That come from West Bank. Very.
This is my life. No, I won't know if you watch you living. Nothing for proof for them become an prolific. Cause some rifle will make a big man look like me. I'm from here, this family, we say we are feeling fair. This is my life. This is my journey. Why enough for them I try control it. I me I pay for my problems, and when me want help, none of them in a sit. No fight.
Man said it's a my journey. You see me? When more help, not for them, me not see. Me not have to follow them because my name Prolific. Okay, that's dope. That's dope, bro. Kalonji? Yeah, man, I like this. Real smooth. Yo, Trinidad artists and they gold, bro. The Trini Gold, bro. I love the Trini Gold, man. I gotta go to Trinidad and get me some jewelry, guys. Yo.
But me never agreed with no criticism, that is something me no need. Never promote for the bad energy. Every man bleed for the same color Satan. Still me not too care, cause people show me them two-face. And that's me never mix like Kool-Aid. Black for the switch, figure them green.
Man say, yo, me no need the bad energy, dog. You see me? When you say you don't need the bad energy, that thing, you know kind of everybody bleed the same red. You know what I'm saying? Cheap black there for full boy of grains. Yo, I like this, man. Very smooth, bro. I like it. Kalonji? Yeah, man.
Yo, gotta rap at the top, can't wait to touch backstage. Know that you make it fans up, you know. One of the reasons me, I'm trying to find out this, you know. This is my life, this is my journey. Why enough for them I try control it. Ay, me I pay for my problems, and when me want help, none of them and I say.
Man said, this is my life, this is my journey. Why enough for them want control it? You see me, man say, yo, man, pay for, yeah, we gotta basically pay for what he does. So it's like, yo, oh, okay, all right. Never promote for the bad energy. Every man bleed the same. Yo, still me not too care. People show me them two-face. Mix like cool. I like, yo. People show me them Two-Face, some of them mix like Kool-Aid. Yeah, man, I like that. I like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? He never promote for the bad energy. You see me, everybody bleed the same, bro. I like this song, bro. Kalonji. You see me, this is my journey, why people trying to control it. Yeah, I feel you, bro. Yeah, man, I like this one, guys. This is very positive. Be very self-aware. This is very accountable type song. Yeah, man, I like this, man. What y'all think about this one, guys? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section.
Everyone played for the same girl, I say it and still me not too care. People show me them Two-Face, so we never mix like Kool-Aid. Black with the switch, feed them
Man, say me not need the blood clean criticism. You see me, I say? Or the judgment. The judgmental thing, you see me? That me know the negative me not promote, bro. I like this song, bro. For real, man. Yeah, man.
Every man bleed for the same girl, I say it and
Every man bleed for the same color, you see it? Come here, man. I like this. Yeah, man. Kalonji.
To go from hopeless.
Right, the one, them, man. Kalonji. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Artist. Anyway, you're there, man. Yeah, man. That was Kalonji Prolific. I like that one, guys. What y'all think about that one? That was real dope. You know what I'm saying? Very... Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Trinidad artists are very smooth on the track, man. All of them can pretty much sing or harmonize, man. So I really like it. But yeah, man. Real dope track, guys. Let me know what you think about that one. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you want me to react to next. Any other Trinidad artists, any other Caribbean artists you want to say? Bro, I listen to all Caribbean artists, all Caribbean music all over the world. So let me know if there's a Caribbean or dancehall artist. Give me this artist, no matter where they're from. If you want me to listen to it, I'll get it done, guys. So let me know, man. Drop the comments in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? And if I pick your song, you definitely gonna get a shout out. You know what time it is. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco is here and hitting and smashing up. Bang. Till next time. Take care of yourself, guys. Take care of yourself, guys, and each other. Love you guys.